Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect a second monitor to your computer, two monitors. Here's my second monitor and the first one. We plug them in and grab the second cable. I'm using an HDMI cable, plugging it into the monitor. You could also use VGA, but I'm using HDMI right now. Now we connect it to the graphics card. Here are the video card inputs. I'm using DisplayPort specifically. Your input might be different. Let's connect it. There. Next. It might mirror or connect properly like mine did. Now go to Windows Start, then Settings. Find System, then Display. As you can see, I have two monitors now. See, here we choose how they relate to each other. We're selecting to extend the screen across both monitors. If we click Duplicate, we'll have two identical displays. There, that's all folks. This is Elard signing off. Hope this was helpful. Bye everyone.